Hi everyone, I'm AJ, an FTA from Orlando. Let's talk about some technology changes happening this season. First, Android phones. If you're like me, you probably have some ZTE Speed phones lying around from previous seasons. They were cheap, they took a lot of damage, and now they're a thing of the past. ZTE Speed phones are no longer allowed for First Tech Challenge as of this season. Neither are Google Nexus 5 or Samsung Galaxy S5 phones. Basically, if it wasn't made by Motorola, it's not a legal phone this season. Check Game Manual Part 1 for the full list of legal phones. Before you hit the checkout button on a new pair of phones, let's talk about a new piece of technology that is legal for all teams this season, the Rev Control Hub. The Control Hub takes the place of a Rev Expansion Hub and the robot controller phone on the robot. There are a few reasons to love it. It requires one less phone, which means there's one less thing to charge, and there's one less USB connection to have issues. It takes up less space than the old setup, and if you use a USB webcam, you'll have a lot more flexibility when it comes to positioning the camera. You'll definitely want to consider using the Control Hub if you have been using control system components from Modern Robotics, as they are no longer allowed this season either. Remember that old control systems, combined with a few extra parts, make for great demonstration robots at outreach events. So as you are budgeting for parts this season, check your phones, take a look at the Rev Control Hub, and think about whether you need a USB webcam. One more thing. If I were a student, I'd probably be pretty bummed about the prospects for this season, and it's okay if you feel that way. We're used to the thrill of in-person competitions with music, cheering, and high fives all around. But if you take a step back and think about what FIRST is really about, it boils down to two things: inspiring and recognizing your best work. There is a network of volunteers who are committed to elevating you as you work through this year's challenge and making sure that your accomplishments are recognized. Although things will be different, this season can still be the hardest fun you've ever had. Commit to it, and we'll commit to supporting you. That's all from me. Good luck this season.